Researchers are uncovering how nature protects itself and using these strategies to innovate technology. For instance, the incredible ability of the bombarding beetle to expel a hot chemical spray to deter predators is inspiring new defense systems in robotics and military technology. By mimicking the self-healing properties found in plants, engineers are developing materials that can automatically repair themselves after damage, reducing waste. Furthermore, the structure of seashells, which offer extraordinary strength despite being lightweight, is guiding the design of stronger and more resilient building materials. This nature-inspired approach not only enhances technology, but also promotes sustainability, proving the brilliance of adapting nature's defenses to modern innovations.